How to increase audio speed on Messenger. In this video, I will show you how to increase audio speed on Messenger. First, open or launch the Messenger mobile application just like I have done. You will land on the homepage of the app as you can see here. After that, proceed and open the chat where the audio is found. Once you do that, you will see the audio, and what you have to do is to tap on the audio so that it can start playing. From there, what you have to do is to stop the audio. When you do that, the feature for speeding up or slowing down the audio will appear. Sadly, mine is not appearing, and that may be your case too. Don't worry, I will show you what you can do about that. Exit the inbox and tap on the menu icon. It is this icon found at the top right corner of the screen. A side panel with options appears. From the options, tap on the settings. It is this gear icon here. You will land on the settings page of your Messenger account where there are sections and options that you can use to make changes to your Messenger account. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you reach here. After that, look for an option named Report Technical Problem. Here it is, tap on it. This menu appears. From the menu, tap on this option here named Report Anyway. After that, this other menu appears where you are required to include logs. I will on this option here. Finally, you will be taken to the feedback inbox of Messenger where you have to type a short message explaining to them the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. Finally, send them the message and they will respond to you with a solution. Just give them time. Next, exit the app and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Messenger and make sure you update the app if it needs to be updated. This will ensure the app functions well and also the new or missing features will be added to the app. That is how to increase audio speed on Messenger.